Today, I'm going to show you how to fix a fan that's wobbling. Notice the center of the fan is a screw and it's going crazy. The solution to this is actually quite simple. All you have to do is buy this ceiling fan balance kit, or stick around. If you have a 3D printer, I'll show you how to make one yourself later on in the video. But for now, if you bought the kit, it comes with these 4 clippers. The beauty of this clip is that you only need to clip onto one of the blade, one at a time. So go ahead and clip it to one of the blade, turn the fan up to maximum speed, and see if the wobble goes away. If the wobble does not go away, go on to the next blade, and so forth and so on. Honestly, sometimes using one clip does not help. Try using 2 clips. Oh yeah, the position of the clips on the blade helps as well. So go ahead and play around with the position of them. Maybe they're next to the center, maybe they're far off away from the center. Here you can see I found the sweet spots to be here using 2 clips. So I went ahead and used the patch and patch it up at these positions. That's relatively similar to the clips themselves. These stickers weigh 5 grams, which is the same weight as the clip themselves. So 2 of these clips are 10 grams and 2 of these patches are 10 grams. Once you patch them up, go ahead and remove the clips, and now your wobbling should go away. Because my ceiling is white and the fan is white, it's extremely hard to see the wobble, so I added a string and some weights to see if the weights wobble around or not. The funny thing with this white fan is that no matter what I did, no matter how many clips I added on, no matter where I positioned the clips, it still wobbles. Hopefully you don't experience the same situation, but if you do, then it's time to remove the fan completely and check out the fan bracket, which is this black thing. My fan bracket was so loose I can easily wiggle around, so when the fan spin, this whole bracket was spinning and hence the wobble. This is why I took everything apart and then make sure that my metal box was actually rated for ceiling fan before it was only rated for lighting fixture. So once I removed the box, swap out for a ceiling fan rated box, and then I put the black bracket back on, and then I secure it with the screws, and then everything is super tight and secure. Yeah, this thing is not moving anywhere. Now, if you have a 3D printer, you can easily go ahead and print one of those clip outs. I'm going to give you the website, and all you have to do is download the stiil file. Go ahead and open up in your slicer. For me, I'm using Cura. In your infill, increase it all the way to 40% and hit slice. On the bottom right hand corner, you can see that my infill with 40% is 6 grams. I happen to have a bunch of these magnetic stickers. These are actually really heavy stickers. If you have one lying around, you can actually use them as weight or use anything else, and then double-sided tape to be equivalent in the same weight as the one that you 3D printed it. Once you 3D printed the parts and have something heavy to stick it onto the blade, go ahead and follow the steps that I mentioned earlier before, which is finding the problematic blade and then sticking the weights on. Alright, hopefully you found this tutorial helpful in balancing out your fan blade so it doesn't wobble anymore. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel.